Right guys, so our job for today is to change the flash valve of this toilet. Basically, this one doesn't work properly. So if you flush it, that's all. And seems it's leaking as well. Is it? Oh no, so yeah, that's the problem. Right, so it is connected like that, and inside, so there you go, it's full of water. So that's the problem with this. Yeah, we're going to change this one as the plan for today. Right, small plumbing job, a little bit easy. So first of all, we need to drain the water, closing that valve, fill bulb, and then we'll see how it goes. The one that I'm going to use for this one, this is Dudley Turbo Edge adjustable siphon. So I think this is the new version, a little bit thinner. And yeah, let's have a look what's on it. Basically, I don't know if I can, since that is Dudley as well. Right, so here is the part, and there you go. I'm gonna put it there. Finish with that one, and instruction. Right, there's some ring and full flush, reduced flush. All right, so that's it. And of course, instruction. Right, let's isolate the valve. Hopefully it still works. And then let's try this. There you go. The problem with this one normally is the diaphragm. You know, the diaphragm of the siphon. So this is the diaphragm, this part. Mostly that is the one. The plastic, the thin plastic. Right, so let's use this one. Try to remove some of the water. By the way guys, I already installed a lot of this Dudley flush valve. The good thing with this, you can once you already installed the whole thing, and if this is broken, if you wanted to repair it, you can just release this, and then you can pull all the way up this one. Right. Oh, sorry. So release this first, and then I can't put it now. Anyway, so once you pull this, you can take this one out, and then you can take this part where the diaphragm is, and this one can stay in the cistern. So if this one is broken, you just replace the whole thing. You don't need to take out the whole thing like what I'm going to do today. All right, Right, let's carry on bailing this water. So let us remove the liver first. We can use this one again. So that's it. And then I'll take this part now. And then, right, now I need to take out that bottom one. Normally that's just a hand tight, so we'll see. That's easy. And it comes with that seal. Right. There you go. Started the water now. Right. So that seal is this one. Okay. So it comes with two. One of it, they said if the cistern is a bit higher, based on the instruction, so we'll see what's the difference later on. But yeah, I'm about to take this one off now. Right, this is the trouble. I don't know if I've got a big wrench. No, that's not big enough. Right, let's use this cobra. We're going to expect some more water maybe. Oh no, it's almost gone. So this is the one that holding the valve, all right? This is the one to prevent the leak. Let's crack on. There you go. Oh, there's another one. Nice. And there. Now guys, so the problem with this is this, what I've said. So you see, this one, that's mostly the issue. Right, so now let's take this one out. And then let's put the new one. So, right. that will go in. Like what I've said, there are two. So I think the other one is a little bit thicker. So make sure that we put this one towards that way so that it will sit like that there. Something like that. I think better to use the thicker one. Yeah, all the same. So it will sit like that there. And it's gonna be inside of this. So some plumber, they tend to put some lubricant or whatever here, but this one can get in easily. Then let's get that one, and then let's have a look at the surface there. So you see that mark, it needs some cleaning. And the instruction is we don't need to put anything on this one. We don't need to put any glue or something. Just make sure that they're clean, dry. So that's it actually. So I think that's it. Okay, now let's introduce the new Dudley. So this is on the other side. Just put that one in. Oops, I need to put the washer first. That's it. Now, because I didn't take it off, it's just come back. Sits very nicely. See? So as simple as that. And then put them back together. So let's do this one first. Give it a little bit of right, so let's do some leak test. Seems all right. I think someone just replace this so there. Okay. And also, by the way, guys, I think because this is a little bit small, the diaphragm is a little bit small compared to these old ones, which is very wide. So once you pull it, at least you're lifting only small amount of water, which is enough to vacuum or to suck the water going up to the flush, to the tube. So yeah, let's open now the valve and then let's test it. Happy days. Well, I think that's almost done. There you go. Working perfectly. I think that's done. Take over the phone. So that's the problem. It catches the cover. So I think I'll make it a little bit shorter. Yeah, so it catches the, let's have a look at the old one, might be useful. Okay. There you go. Shorter one. Try this. Long. Yeah. Perfect. Right. So this is very long. That's why I chose the one. So sometimes old parts are useful. Let's try again. Right guys, so I think that's all done. We'll see what else I can do in this care home. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.